Welcome. My name is Ritam, and I will be your guide towards finding more balance in life, to holistic growth and genuine connection with people like you, all rooted in ancient wisdom of Tantra, yet tailored to our modern lives. If you are a professional seeking more balance in life, maybe spiritual seeker or wellness enthusiast, maybe you are practicing yoga already, or you want to take your intimacy on another deeper level, this is your sanctuary. I used to work as a product manager in a large startup, but few years ago I moved to Bali and I changed my profession. I became a Tantra teacher, but most important is that I'm a fellow seeker too. And I experience on myself profound impact of Tantra teachings, Tantra practices, and it changed my life deeply. So my mission now is to take you on this journey and show you how you can apply these methods to change your life, to feel more happiness on every day. Before I go deeper, I want to really thank you guys. Thank you for coming to this community. Thank you for your curiosity and openness. I truly believe that together we can make one step closer towards being more authentic ourselves. So let's speak about Tantra a little bit. What I like to call Tantra is personal development framework. It consists of elements which you need to grow as a person. There are methods of meditations. There are a list of practices and exercises, even artifacts and rituals. When you take all of them and apply all of them and practice, you can learn how you can fully experience your life. And at the end of the day, be more happy. So how you can learn it? Unfortunately, maybe fortunately, mostly through experience. Of course, you can read about it and it's important, but you learn Tantra through experience. It's like reading about surfing. You can read all books about it, but until you get to the water, you cannot say that you know what surfing is about. Same here. We are learning during life experience, usually during life retreats, which are happening around the world. And you are lucky if you are living in an area where it's happening. But many of us are living in places where they need to travel to this kind of events. And for some people, it's difficult. We have also online communities. But what I found on Facebook, for example, Facebook groups about Tantra are usually cluttered, not enough moderation, and people don't feel really safe there. On the other hand, we have WhatsApp groups, which are smaller, but still mostly focus on promoting events without enough space to connect with other people or share our journey. So we found that there is opportunity that we want to create a safe online space for people like you and me, where we can connect and go deeper into the practice, and we can grow together, inspire each other despite our physical location. So we are creating a nurturing online environment where judgment is left at the door. People are focused on their growth and our journey, and we are supporting each other. Thanks to that, we can share, truly share what's happening here, and we can grow and we can explore what's next, what other people did, what's happened that they are thriving so well. So, from very beginners to advanced practitioner, in our community, we are bridging ancient Tantra philosophy with contemporary application. All activities are relevant to our today lifestyle. Everything is practical. We are creating a Tantra community which is accessible to all, focus on authentic Tantra teachings. At the same time, we are breaking down barriers of distance and ensuring that all community, all our space is sacred and remains clean and safe for everyone. Engagement is a key, it's a heart of every community. So please share your journey, ask your questions, ask for feedback, speak about your truth, and connect with other people. This is an amazing opportunity to find people like you. We say that transformation is experienced through practice. So my invitation for you is to practice. We have classroom where we have guided meditations. All practices are explained, and you can find out how you can integrate these practices, how you can integrate Tantra in your everyday life. You can still be in a busy life, in a bustling city, and still be on your path to enlightenment. But it's not only about online activities. We can meet here in Bali or in other places. We can create retreat together. This is a picture from one of my last events here in Bali. And this is my invitation to you. Let's connect. Let's co-create events like that, and let's grow together. So if you are into diving deeper into this transformative wisdom of Tantra, join our group. This is your moment to join our global family focused on personal growth, healing, and connecting with like minded people. See you inside.